a handful of Curtor cars in a true carnival spirit got together to organize one of the most happening events in Curtorim. That is, the carnival celebrations under the title Festival of Curtor Cars in our very own culturally rich village of Curtorim with its green hills, scenic beauty, lush green fields and large water reservoirs. The like-minded, fun-loving persons formed an association to convert their thoughts and enthusiasm into actions and named the association as Curtorim Cultural Committee. One of the prime objectives of the association is to promote the talents that our local artists possess and to bring the entertainment to where it belongs. An effort is being made to provide the best of entertainment within our village. Over the years, the association has expanded the talent hunt search to the entire state of Goa. Fun-loving people of Curtorim and surrounding areas eagerly wait for the annual festival of Curtor Cars.
He has elected the following members as the managing committee and entrusted to manage the affairs of the association for 26-27. Chairman, Alish Regional Lorenzo, Honorable MLA of Curtorim Constituency, Arnaldo Costa, President, Vice President, Jacob Joki Francis Katayed, General Secretary Mrs. Maria Guaretti Fernandez, Joint Secretary Savio Mascarenas, Treasurer Wilson Luis, Joint Treasurer Joki Anton Dias, Public Relation Officer PRO Vivek Davega, Chief Coordinator Terrencio Fernandez and Cultural Secretary Jose Travasi.
Everybody is welcome there. And second, we are making it a very traditional one. Itle also ami kelente is to see that we keep up the tradition of Curtor Cars. Our village is an agricultural based village which is called Rice Granary of Goa, and we would like to maintain that structure. Jati to local talent ko pasun award promote kotai, singing, dance competitions pasun भुरग्यांगे ड्रॉइंग कॉम्पिटिशन देखून भुरग्यांक कोत्ताय आमी ते आमकां एक लोकल टॅलंट आमगेल्या गांवच्या भुरग्यांक वयर काडपाक हें आमगेलो हेतू जावन आहा. दिस इज आवर मेन एम एंड वी विल ऑलवेज लायक टू कीप इट. वी हॅव ऑलवेज केप्ट इट वेरी सिंपल. वी हॅव नॉट आमी चड कमर्शियली करपाक गेले ना ते एडवर्टिजमेंट्स चड हें चड तुगेले वी हॅव नॉट मेड इट कमर्शियल एडवर्टिजमेंट्स पासून नाय आमगे सारके लोकल एडवर्टिजमेंट. आनी हांव मागता की आमकां सगळ्यांनी सपोर्ट करचो. All the people of our Curtorim also, though they are with us, we would expect some people from outside also to come and they are welcome to come and join us. This King Momo for this year, Mr. Cedric Fernandez, and we would also we expect a lot of crowd from this year.
We organize the floats, but we also tap the talents of the youth and also the kids. And how we do that? By organizing various competitions like how Quality has to. Like for this year, like all the years, even we have planned these competitions, which I will be announcing now. We'll be having drawing competition, which will be held on 14th February, in which there are 3 categories: tiny tots up to KG2, sub-juniors from standard 1st to standard 4th, and juniors from 5th to 7th. In this, a lot of kids participate. As per the record of all these years, around 450 kids participate in this competition, and we get a good response. We have a float parade that is on 15 February, and like the last 2 years, we'll be again having this float parade starting at around 8 p.m. in the night. Basic idea is a lot of floats come for the Margam floats, and from there we're trying to get the floats in Curtorim. The 2 years we have been successful, and even this year we're trying to do the same thing. So in the floats there are 4 categories. One is the open category. The amount, the prize money will be told by Wilson later on. Yeah. Okay. The open category floats. First prize is 60,000. Second prize is 40,000. Third prize is 30,000. Fourth prize is 20,000, and the fifth prize is 15,000. We have another category, Curtorim category, where the local wards participate in the float. The first prize is 35,000, second is 30,000, third prize is 25,000, and fourth is 20,000. There are 3 consolation prizes which will be awarded in both the categories, open category as well as Curtorim category, 10,000 each. So 3 consolation for open category and 3 consolation for Curtorim category of 10,000 each. We'll be having fancy dress competition, juniors and seniors. The prize is amount as follows. For the juniors, fancy dress 2,000 first prize, second prize is 1,500 and third prize is 1,000. For the fancy dress seniors, 7,000 first prize, second prize is 4,000 and third prize is 2,500. We'll be also having all Goa solo singing competition, and we have given a title of Go On Melody 2026. And there are 2 categories again, juniors up to 15 years, and the first prize is 8,000, second prize is 6,000, third prize is 4,000, and seniors is above 15 years. First prize is 15,000, second prize is 10,000, and the third prize is 7,000. We also have all Goa group dance competition, which has been named as or titled as Nats Goa Nats 2026. It is open to all age groups, and the first prize is a group dance competition. First prize is 20,000, second prize is 15,000, and the third prize is 10,000. Now, there are auditions for this singing and group dance, which will be held on 8th of February, that is a Sunday, at Hideout, which is a place in Maina Curtorim. The auditions will start at around 2:30 p.m. And there are forms available for the registration, so you can kindly contact the committee. The numbers will be given, and whoever are interested have to submit their names. The finals of whoever have been selected will be held on 16th and 17th February respectively on the grand stage in Curtorim.